So we are heading towards Krangsuri waterfall in the Giant Hills with my family. It's raining very heavily, okay, since morning. From Shillong we came. From Shillong it was raining quite. Then we crossed the West Giant Hills. So now we are heading towards Krangsuri waterfall. The front we will get the Pepe Falls also. So I will show you the Pepe Falls and this Krangsuri waterfall also. You can see the best views. So we are heading towards Krangsuri waterfall. It's nearby, something like half kilometers or 1 kilometers, I guess. With family, yeah, the grassland is here. Grassland pa kailangan mo na video, live kali video. Ada pond thor po direct skill. Pada ano waterfall ano. Krangsuri waterfall and pond thor na. Dahil lang kiting dapat down thor na. Kili lo kaya. Yan dah lebih corong. Sabi ng lebih niya ma. Sabi niya. So we have reached this Krangsuri waterfall entry gate. This is the parking lot hotel. We have to walk like a little bit, I think. Well, we have reached Krangsuri waterfall, okay? So we will be seeing this waterfall. It's very beautiful, okay? Blue color. Ice skating. Là bé đàn này là trong luôn. Hàn ơi. Nó có thể là Dah bangga punya buat ha. Turis tu bang pergi dah bang. Ot mereka na. Ini hari komen tu lah hiriat. Lah, so pasti dah kena slow lagi. Wow, the water is so blue.
The water is blue, blue, blue. So beautiful this place. The water is blue, blue, blue. Sang अपने này. Làm cái gì ở trong đó này? Blue color là cái này chót làm cái gì này. Đây rồi. So we will take some photos and videos from here.